PC turns on but no display, Pro Fixes. When your PC turns on but doesn't display anything on the screen, it can be frustrating. Here's a step-by-step guide for troubleshooting this issue. 1. Check monitor connections. Ensure that the monitor is properly connected to both the power source and the computer. If you're using a desktop PC, check that the monitor cable is securely connected to the GPU or the motherboard's video output port. For laptops, ensure that the screen brightness isn't turned down too low or the laptop isn't in a mode that disables the external display. 2. Verify monitor power. Make sure the monitor is receiving power and turned on. Check for any indicator lights on the monitor to confirm that it's operational. 3. Inspect cables and connections. Examine the video cables for any signs of damage. Try using a different cable or port if available to rule out cable issues. 4. Test with different monitor. If possible, connect your computer to a different monitor or TV to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem lies with the monitor or the computer itself. 5. Restart the computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve display issues caused by temporary glitches or software conflicts. Try restarting your computer and see if the display returns. 6. Check for hardware failures. Inspect the GPU, graphics processing unit, if you're using a desktop PC. Ensure that it's properly seated in the PCIe slot and that any power connectors are securely attached. If you have onboard graphics, integrated GPU, try removing any dedicated GPU and connecting the monitor directly to the motherboard's video output port. 7. Reset BIOS/UEFI settings. In some cases, incorrect BIOS/UEFI settings can lead to display problems. You can try resetting the BIOS/UEFI settings to default values. Refer to your motherboard's manual for instructions on how to do this. 8. Test RAM. Faulty RAM modules can sometimes cause display issues. Try resetting your RAM modules or testing them one by one in different slots if you have multiple sticks. You can also try using known good RAM modules if available. 9. Check for CPU issues. While less common, CPU-related issues can also cause no display problems. Ensure that the CPU is properly seated in its socket and that there's adequate thermal paste applied between the CPU and the heatsink/fan. 10. Inspect power supply. A failing power supply can sometimes lead to insufficient power delivery to components, resulting in display issues. Consider testing with a known good power supply if available. 11. Listen for beep codes. Some motherboards are equipped with onboard speakers that produce beep codes to indicate hard start up. Refer to your motherboard's manual to interpret these beep codes and diagnose any issues. 12. Professional assistance. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't get the display to work, it may be time to seek professional assistance. A technician can perform more in-depth diagnostics and repairs if necessary. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue causing your PC to turn on but not display anything.